Alright, let's take a look at graphing. 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. Let's start by labeling ax squared plus bx plus c. This tells me that a is 2, b is negative 8, and c is 6. So let's plug that in. So let's go to our vertex formula, which is h equals negative b over 2a. We plug it in, we have negative, let's leave a space for b, over 2 times, let's leave a space for a. We said that b was negative 8, and we said that a was 2. So negative and negative 8 is a positive 8. 2 over 2 is 4. 8 over 4, that is 2. So if x equals 2, let's plug that into our equation. So we have 2, let's leave a space, squared, minus 8, let's leave a space, plus 6. Okay, so we said that we're plugging in 2, so let's plug in 2. Okay, 2 squared is 4. Let's multiply that by 2, and we get 8. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16, and we add 6. Okay, so we have plus 8, plus 6, that gives me 14, minus 16 is negative 2. So my vertex is at 2 and negative 2. Now let's factor 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. Again, for this one, we know just by the lead coefficient being a 2, we got to get rid of it somehow. So we're lucky that it's a GCF, so we're just going to factor out a 2. So I'm going to move it to the outside, and then we're going to divide everything by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, x squared. Negative 8 over negative 2 is negative 4x, and 6 over 2 is 3. Okay, so now let's factor. We look for the factors of 3, which is 1 and 3. They both need to be the same sign, which happens to be negative. Okay, so we have 2, parentheses x minus 1, parentheses x minus 3. We equal it to 0 because we need to solve for x. So we have x minus 1 equal to 0, and x minus 3 equal to 0. If we solve each of those for x, this one is going to be x equals 1, and this one is going to be x equals 3. Now let's graph 2, negative 2, 1, and 3. So we go over to 2 and negative 2. So we're going to go over 2, down 2. My roots are at 1 and 3. And now let's graph. We're going to go up. We're not going to go past 4. We're going to go up. Okay, and we're going to go past, not going to go past 0. Okay, so there's our graph.